Good morning, children. We have learned in the last class the relationship between sociology and economics. We have learned about sociology and history. We have learned about sociology and psychology, that is similarity and differences. Now we have learned about the similarity between sociology and economics. Now we are going to learn about the differences between sociology and economics. Sociology is the study of social relationship or social activities, but economics is the study of only economic activities. So in sociology we have the study of social relationship of social activities where economics is also involved, but economics is just the study of only economic activities of man. Sociology is abstract in nature, whereas economics is concrete. Abstract in nature means it is all we are believing that it will be like this, the reaction is like this, because your mind, you cannot see how you happy you are just now, maybe after 10 minutes your mind changes. So accordingly the social interaction also changes. So sociology is abstract in nature, which we have learned before, but economics is concrete. We can say you are getting so much of scholarship, a fixed amount. You are getting a salary this much. It's a fixed amount. So it is a concrete. Economics is concrete. The scope of sociology is much wider than that of economics. So the scope of sociology we have learned, it is much wider than that of economics. Sociology is a general science, but economics is a special social science. So sociology, which includes all the activities, so it can say that it is a general social science, but economics is a specific social science. In sociology, society is regarded as the unit of study, whereas economics, the individual is the target of study. So here in sociology, society is regarded as the unit of study. We are talking about the particular society, their culture, their behavior, their interaction. So we are talking about society as a whole, whereas in economics the individual is the target of study. We'll talk about a particular organization, particular individual, particular family, how well or what are the economic status of that particular person. Both sociology and economics differ from each other in respect of various methods they use for their study. So if you have to study sociology, sociologists take a different study, but economics, they have to study. The economists take a different method to study, so it's so different. Sociology studies about man as a social animal, but economics studies man as an economic being. So this is sociology studies man as a social being or social animal, but economics studies man as an economic being. And sociology is the youngest of all the social sciences, but that is which has been discovered very recently because of the problems in the society. So this is called the youngest of social science, but economics is older than sociology. It was there ever since the manhood was there. Now let us learn about sociology and other social sciences, say like other social science, political science. Sociology and political science are so closely and deeply related to each other. First of all, these two, political science and sociology, are very much closely interaction, how the society is being controlled or under which administration, what rule is there, all these. So sociology and political science are so closely and deeply related to each other. According to Maurice Ginsburg, a sociologist, scientist, historically sociology has its main roots in politics and philosophy of history. So when you talk about political science, according to Maurice Ginsburg, he says that sociology, historically, sociology has the main roots in politics. Without politics, you cannot talk about a society, and the philosophy of history. Sociology is the fundamental social science which studies man's social life. We have learned as a whole and attempts to discover the facts and the laws of life as a whole. So, sociology is the fundamental social science which studies man's social life as a whole, as well as to discover the facts and laws of life as a whole. Political science is just concerned with political life of a man, which is one part of his total life, just a part of the whole or the total life. Sociology is the science of society, whereas political science is mainly concerned with the state and government. So when you talk about sociology, it is the science of the society, but political science is mainly concerned with state and government. Political science is a branch of sociology which deals with the principles of organization and government of human society. Political science is a branch of sociology. So in sociology, there is economics, there is political science, there is psychology, there is history, there is geography. All these are different parts of sociology. So, but political science, we can say it is a branch of sociology. It deals with the principles of organization and government of human society. The state and government makes laws for the welfare of the state society. So, what is political science doing? It is the state and the governments make laws for the welfare of the society. The government removes social evils such as poverty, unemployment, dowry, and so on from the society. So the government removes the social evils such as poverty, unemployment, dowry, and so on from the society. Undesirable customs are uprooted from the society by the government. Say sati, which the government tried to uproot that from the society. Once when a husband when a woman's husband dies, she also was forcibly asked to uh, kill herself. That was been uprooted. That undesirable custom was been up. That's one example. Uprooted from the society, from the government. Now even the dowry system government is trying to uproot or even uprooted. All these are been done by the political science government. The political science means it is the government. The government gives financial assistance to the people at the time of natural calamities such as floods, famine, cyclone, and drought. All these natural disaster or risk management is being looked after. Natural calamities, which is like all these famine, cyclone, drought, flood, etc. Government is giving financial assistance to the people at the time of these calamities. Social institutions and social organizations are regulated by the state and government. Social institutions and social government organizations are regulated by the state and government. Sociology studies various aspects of political activities through which, through the help of political science, and the government can bring about changes in the society with the help of laws. Sociology studies various aspects of political activities through the help of political science, and the government can bring about changes in the society with the help of laws. Political science depends upon sociology and psychology, and sociology provides materials. There also in the previous, sociology is providing materials for economics. Sociology is providing materials for political science is giving. So political science depends upon sociology, and sociology provides all the materials to the political science, which is the political life of the people. Sociologists regard political science as a special branch of sociology. That is also a part of the social life. So sociologists consider political science as a branch of sociology. Political science deals with the social group organized under the sovereignty of the state. So how is the social group or the community or the state is being controlled? It is been organized under the sovereignty of the state, which is under political science. The forms of government, the nature of governmental organs, the laws, sphere of the state activity are chiefly determined by the social process. So, whatever the forms of government that you have, the election that is being conducted, the party that is running the administration, the nature of the governmental organs, the laws and sphere of the state activity are all being determined by different social processes. The law which are formed by the government are based on the social customs, traditions, mores, norms, etc. of the society, and these laws have been formed by the government according based on the social custom of that particular society, tradition, mores, norms, etc. Say for example, uh, cow's meat or uh, beef is not allowed in northern part of India, but northeast they are having, southern states they are having beef. There's no problem. So the law is been formed by the government based on the social custom, tradition, etc. Most norms, etc. Changes which have been taken place in the political theory have been possible due to sociology. Whatever changes that has been taken place in the political theory, it was been possible only due to the sociology. How you study the sociology and see what type of people, what are the different customs and culture that the society has, only then the political theory has been, changes have been made accordingly. Both sociology and political science depends upon each other and are interrelated and interdependent. So here also we found that sociology and political science depend upon each other, they are interrelated and interdependent. Now let's see the differences between sociology and political science. Number one, sociology studies society as a whole and man as a social being, whereas political science deals with a particular aspect of the society which is regarded as politically organized unit. So sociology, we have learned before, studies society as a whole and social being, and whole and man as a social being, whereas political science deals with a particular aspect of society which is regarded as politically organized unit. Therefore political science is more a specialized science than sociology. Sociology is a general science, it deals with all the other discipline, but political science is just a specialized science. Sociology has wider scope than that of political science. So before also we have learned that sociology has wider scope. Economics is just dealing with the economic activities of the society, so it is a part of the whole. Sociology deals with social, political, economic, cultural and other aspects of the society, and studies will be social institution, and studies will be the social institutions such as marriage, family, religion, kinship, caste and so on. So sociology deals with all the other systems, social, political, economic, cultural and other aspects of the society, and studies will be the social institution. They are basically studying about family, marriage, religion, kinship, caste and so on. But political science deals with political aspect and studies with a specific political institution like state and government only. Political science deals with political aspects and studies a specific political institution like state and government only. Thus, sociology is regarded as a general science, while political science is viewed as a specialized social science. So there also, before also we have said that sociology is regarded as a general science, but the other economics, psychology, they are all been viewed as a specified, specialized social. Number three, sociology studies forms of association and institution, whereas political science deals with the state and government, which are known as specific forms of association. So sociology studies about association, institution, family, community, class, caste, etc., whereas political science deals with the state and government, which are known as specific forms of association. Sociology studies all kinds of social relationship in a general way. It's been studied general way, but political science studies only the political aspects of social relationship in a particular way. Sociology studies both organized and disorganized society, but political science studies only the politically organized society. So sociology studies all the organized and organized society. Political science deals studies only the political aspects of social relationship in a particular way, but political science studies only the politically organized society. Sociology is the study of all means of social control. So it deals with all the social control, but political science, on the other hand, is the study of only government recognized means of control. So sociology, we have all means of family can control, the priest of a religious institution can control a community, but political science, on the other hand, it is the study of only government recognized like police, army, paramilitary, all these recognized means of control. Thank you.